this video, we will see how we can use the content child and content children in order to fetch the elements or the directives from the DOM element. So we have already created an Angular application having some components added. So I have added two main components, that are test component and the number component. Inside the test component, we are just trying to project some ng content that are coming from a host element. So we have defined this ng content over here, and we have defined the number component, which is doing nothing but taking any random number and printing it to its view. And inside the app component, we are trying to project the number component inside the test component. So this is all we have done. We are projecting the app number component inside the app test. So we are going to learn how we can use the content child and content children. That is very similar to the view child and view children. The only difference is that we are going to access the projected element inside the component, and with the help of view child and view children, we are accessing the template element, that is like this app test over here. So if you want to access this element from the app component, we will use view child and view children. And if you want to access this element that is getting projected to the component, like in app test, so we have to use content child and content children. Let us see how we can access. So all we have to do, we have to define inside the test component class the variable and which kind of element is getting projected, number component, and we will try to access this element on after viewing it. Let me try to run, and we can see we can access this over here. So we are just multiply by 2 after 3 seconds. Let me refresh the page. So we are getting this 5 value, and after 3 seconds we are updating this value over here. So this is how we can access the single ng content element. But what if we have more than one element? Then in that case, we are getting the reference only for the first projected element, first component from the projected element. So for accessing this value that is coming from the projected element, that is nothing but the list of number component, we have to define content children Let me just comment it out and see. It is saying number comp, so we have to define it inside the query list. Now we have the list of element that we can convert it to array and see all the elements. Now we have the list of elements over here. And after 3 seconds I am just updating all the value by twice. If I am refreshing the page, I am getting all the values like this, and after 3 seconds it is getting doubled. So this is how we can access the single content element and the multiple content element that are getting projected inside the component. That's all. Thank you so much.